Guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome to my channel. I'm JaMya, and in today's video I'm finally doing another get ready with me. I haven't done one of these in like a long time. Today I just decided to do one for you guys since I have nothing else better to do. Today is senior skip day where I live. Guys, this is my second time recording it because the first time I recorded it, I don't know where my videos went at. So I'm doing another one for you guys, but this is basically the makeup look that I was going for. This is basically my little get ready with me for my day out with my friends. We're just basically chilling, you know, having a good time, all that good stuff. So yeah, so if you guys want to see how I got this makeup and this hair look, then keep on watching. Hey guys, so as you guys know, I'm doing a get ready with me. It is officially like 12 something right now, and if you guys are wondering why I'm not in school today, it's senior skip day, so I'm being a bad kid, I'm skipping. So today I'm going to be going out with my friends. We're going to go out to eat, maybe to Rigby's or to the movies or something, but we're just gonna chill today. I think I'm gonna start off with my hair first because it's just a lot easier, and don't laugh at my head, please don't. I do the little banding method to stretch out my hair for my wash and goes. So I'm just going to take these down from the bands. As you guys can tell, my hair is starting to lose the definition because this is day 4 hair. As you guys can tell, my hair is like really stretched and it still has some type of definition, but it's not really defined as it was for my day 1 hair. So I'm just gonna shake out my hair. So I think I want to do like a bang with a pineapple on top. So I'm going to take this part of my hair, which is kind of like my little bang for me, but I'm just gonna take this and I'm just going to band it. Keep this section away for a minute. I'll work with this section in the back. Just gonna take my spray bottle. Basically just spritz my hair with this water, not drench it in this water, but make it damp to where I can actually work with the products that I'm going to use to refresh my hair. Next, I'm going to use my Cream of Nature Mango and Shea Butter leave-in conditioner, and this is like one of my go-to conditioners for refreshing my wash and goes because it's really lightweight and it just gives my hair that moisture and just a little kick it needs to just refresh my hair. So I'm just gonna put this all over my hair, not really like sectioning it up because I mean I have time, but I really don't have time. Next, I'm going to be using the Cantu Comeback Curl Next Day Curl Revitalizer. And honestly, I've never really used this, as you guys can tell, like it's still basically at the top. I just sprayed like a lot in my hands. And I'm just going to start from the ends and just work my way up. Just getting this section first. Shiny, and honestly it does, it looks really good. And it gives my hair like a light hold, so yeah, it's pretty good. Now I'm just gonna take my Eco Styler and gel up my hair. If you guys don't know how to do this style, I think I did a video on this style like years ago. I'll put that in the link up here for the actual hairstyle. So now I'm just gonna brush up my hair from the sides. And then brush it all the way up in the back. So now I'm just gonna take my scrunchie and I'm going to basically go upward, well, bring my hair up the sides, and I'm still leaving that bang out because we're gonna work with that in a few minutes. Working with the front, since this part is basically what everybody's gonna see, I want it to be more defined and just look 10 times better than what it does now. I'm going to take my spray bottle and basically do the same thing that I did with the back. Now I'm finished with the hair, I'm just gonna let it dry for like 5 minutes and I'll come back to start on my makeup. Alright guys, so my hair is diffused and it's dry. Looking real cute so far. So first I'm gonna start off with my brows. I'm just gonna put my hair like to the side a little bit. I'm gonna use the NYX Professional Precision Brow Pencil. First I always like to just brush on my brows just to get the shape and then kind of swipe off the hairs down. I really like this brow pencil because it has like a lined, I don't know really how to say this, but like the shape of the brow pencil, like crayon, is just really good for like lining up your brows and then just like filling it in. It just makes it 10 times easier. It's in the shade Espresso. First, I always like to just line my brows up like at the bottom and just go like straight down. and kind of like make my line. Then go at the top, like right here, just make my line going down and basically meet that line at the bottom. And I just fill in my brows as I go. So now I'm just gonna take the end of my brush and just basically use my spoolie to just blend everything in and make sure everything looks really nice. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind concealer, and I love using this concealer for like cleaning up my brows because it matches my shade just like really perfectly. And I just take this like flat brush and I just basically line up under my brow, kind of get that little clean sharp end, and I just take the top and I just swipe like whatever leftover product that I have on top. I really don't conceal at the top, like it just something that I really don't do. I just cover it up with my foundation all the time. Like I was saying, today is senior skip day and I am going out with my friends, you know, just chilling, hanging out, whatever. Taking a break from stressful senior year, because when I tell you it's stressful. So we're just going out, just chilling, you know, whatever. And also the Us movie came out, directed by Jordan Peele, so we're gonna go see that. I'm really excited to see it. I heard a lot of good things about the movie, and I heard it's a really like big plot twist, so I'm excited to see that movie. And yeah, I just heard really good reviews about it, and ever since I seen Get Out, I basically fell in love with him as a director. He's just really good, and he was really good when he did Key and Peele, so those are really good shows. I'm really excited to see what Us is about, so hopefully it's really good like Get Out was. So on to primer. I always use the Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser for like when I'm going to be out like all day. I just like to use this because it really controls like my oil. It just makes my pores like basically minimize, and it just makes everything look better. I just take like a little bit of it and I put some around my nose area and like just basically spread it out like all over my T-zone area, because it just really helps out a lot with that. My primer sit and just let it sink into my skin and just start to work a little bit into my skin. I'm gonna go ahead and set my eyes and everything. I'm not really gonna do like a dramatic look, which I always say that and I end up doing a dramatic look. So I'm just going to conceal my eyes and just make sure my eyes are just like primed and everything. I love Real Technique brushes, well sponges. They're just really good for blending. Ever since I first started using these, I just really haven't used my off-brand sponges, just because I don't know, like these just work like a lot better and they're a lot easier to blend everything. But I'm just basically setting my eyes just so everything stays throughout the night and, you know, looks good. I set it with the Maybelline Fit Me loose face powder. So now I'm just gonna go in with the Your Best Friend palette. Basically is a palette where it has just like the neutral shades. I don't know if you guys see my last video, but I started off by using this palette and I stopped using it because it has like neutral shades and I wasn't really going for that look in my last video. And if you guys haven't seen my last video, I'll put it up here so you guys can see it. I want to start off with the bronzing powder, just to start off with like a neutral shade and just to brighten up my eyes a little bit. Know how excited I am for springtime. The only thing I hate about the spring is like the pollen and everything, but other than that, finna get out of school, finna graduate, and all it's summertime, so that's pretty exciting. It's finna get hot, tired of the cold weather, so that's a good thing. And yeah, I'm just really excited for spring. Like it just needs to hurry up and just stay here for a while, because we need some sunlight and some glow in our lives. I'm just going to use the shade One of a Kind, and it's just this darker brown shade. I'm gonna put that right on top just to darken that up a little bit. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with this shade Thoughtful, and it's just this shimmery golden color, and it's just really pretty. I'm just gonna put this right on my lid. Like, it just looks really cute, so I'm gonna put that right on top of my lid. Go back in with One of a Kind, that dark brown shade, and I'm just going to blend out that color right on my outer corner and back on top of my crease, just to blend in those two colors really good, and just to make sure I don't have any like harsh lines or anything. I'm going to use the shade Loy, and it's like this shimmery silver color, and I'm going to put this right on my inner corner. So now I'm going to do a wing eye. I really haven't done these in like 5 ever, but we're going to attempt to do one. This is Avon Mega Effect Liquid Eyeliner, and I'm honestly scared. Alright guys, so last but not least on my eyes, I'm using the Allure Cosmetics Lash, and it's the Jordan's Wood Summer Here. And this is what they look like. They're just really beautiful and really cute. If you guys heard about the whole Jordan Woods Kardashian whole shindig, that's them. Honestly, I really have nothing to do with that. Some of you guys are like, why are you using Jordan Woods stuff, Jordan Woods, Jordan Woods. I'm still going to support Jordan Woods because she has a life just like everybody else. She got bills to pay just like everybody else. In my opinion, I really don't think she's 100% wrong. You know, I think she's 100% right. It's like a 50-50. Well, pretty much 60-40, because Tristan, he been cheating on Khloe for like ever. And they say that she basically was the person that he cheated on his first baby mama with. So what goes around comes around, and it just happened to be that. So I'm going to use a little glue that they gave me in the packaging. It took forever to put on my lashes. I am going to use my new foundation, and it's the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna, the Pro Filter foundation in the shade 330. I'm also going to mix it with my Maybelline Fit Me foundation, my normal foundation I always use. And this is in the shade 335 Classic Tan. Like you guys already know, if you guys are a loyal subscriber, you know that's my favorite and my go-to foundations. And I'm just going to pump like 3 pumps on each side, probably 2, depending on how this looks and everything. Oh my god, foundation's gonna get in my hair. I'm just gonna take my other foundation. I'm gonna take like my finger and like dip it in there and just put that like all over. I started to do something different now with my foundation. I like to use the Expert Face Brush by Real Techniques, and this is the Real Technique 200 brush. So now I'm just gonna take my beauty blender, and I'm just gonna buff in everything on my face, just making sure everything is just blended in and just looks really good. Maybelline Instant Rewind Concealer. I'm using this, just basically my basic areas for concealing my face. My smaller size Real Technique sponge, and I'm just going to just blend in this concealer. I'm gonna go back in with this setting powder, and I'm just going to set my face with this powder. Since I look like a ghost right now, I'm just gonna bronze up my nose. I'm just gonna dust off this powder. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this blush, and it's from Forever 21. My cousin got it for me, and I still haven't used it, so I decided to use it today. I'm gonna use this brush right here and just swipe use a little bit of this blush and just put it in my face. It's like a really, not pale pink, but like a light pink color. So I'm just gonna put this all over my cheeks and some of my nose, because I really do like blush now. Like at first I did not like using blush at all. Like it was just so not cute to me. But now I just really like using blush, and it just gives you like a pop of color on your cheeks, so it's really cute. For highlighter, I like to use the Dirty Little Secret bronzer, and it's in the shade Skinny Dip, and it's just this like really bronzed, shimmery golden color. This is my Real Techniques 402 setting brush, and I like to use this as like a highlight, just to highlight my face, highlight my key point areas, and you know, just to make sure everything is just highlighted and looking really good. Setting my makeup, I like to use the Mario Badescu skincare, and this is the aloe and rose water one. I love using this for setting spray. It just makes everything look so put together and just so cute. So I'm just gonna put my hair up. I got makeup in my hair. Wow, that defeats the purpose. Now that my face has set it and it's fully, you know, in there, today I'm going to use the Hannah Lee lip treatment, and it's in the shade Pink Peach. These are like really cool things to use on your lips. I got this from one of my Ipsy bags. If you guys don't know what an Ipsy bag is, I did a full tutorial on my Ipsy bag. Basically, I just take a little bit of this and I put it on my lips. It's like just to get a hint of color. The gloss that I'm going to put over is the Trust Fund Beauty, and this is in the shade Text Me. So I'm just going to put on my outfit for the day, and I'll come back to you guys to finish off this video. Alright guys, so this is my final look with my hair and my makeup. And if you guys want to see my full outfit, follow me on Instagram at JaMya Najai to see more pictures and all that good stuff. This is my final look. This is really cute, really simple, real put together. I love, love, love these eyelashes. Like, they are so cute and so bomb, and just really cute for like natural, subtle type looks. This is what my makeup and my hair is looking like. My hair is just really defined, and my makeup looks really flawless, really smooth, and I think it was because of that primer. My primer always helps smooth out my skin, and then the two foundations that I mixed together help it look really nice and really cute, and it's just really, really, really cute to me. If you guys enjoyed this video and you want to see more Get Ready With Me's from me, then please give this video a big thumbs up. And if you guys stayed all the way to the end, then make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you guys so much for the love and support, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Been a minute since I pulled up outside. Shut it down.